Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Please, who's the captain in the class? Yes, Harun. Lead the pray.
Let's go today, together, bring this. Finish.
Okay. Okay, I will take your attendance first. Who's absent today?
Ya,
Izam. Where is Izam?
ada kegiatan.
Kegiatan. Who's next?
Evan,
Evan. Anything else?
kantor.
Akanta. Apa keterangan mereka tuh? Akanta sama Evan.
Evan sakit lagi, sir.
Evan sakit. Akanta?
Gak ada keterangan.
Satu tangan. Oke. Okay, students. So today we are going to learn about special, about interesting topic. Okay, before we start, I want to ask you something. Menurut kalian ya, mana yang lebih bagus itu? Memiliki karakter yang bagus atau nilai kelulusan yang bagus? Nilai bagus. Kenapa tuh? Kenapa kita harus memiliki karakter yang bagus? Bagaimana dengan nilai yang bagus? Penting juga nggak? Penting. Nah itulah karena kita, each of you have a different perception about thing, about ideas. Karena ada juga orang yang bilang kan kalau misalkan, nilai itu bagus untuk gini, karakter juga bagus, itu kan yang disebut dengan opini. So today we are going to learn about asking and giving opinion. Oke, jadi pernah nggak kalian minta pendapat sama teman kalian? Misalkan, bagaimana menurutmu tentang baju ini, tentang sekolah, tentang apa? Pernah nggak kalian pernah? Nah, gimana tuh contohnya? Siapa yang bisa bercontoh? Ya, itu termasuk dari opini. Misalkan kamu minta pendapat dari teman kamu. What do you think about my skincare? Bagus enggak? Gitu. Kalian dapat opini. Okay, so this is the lesson and this is some our learning objective. Jadi untuk memahami dan mengidentifikasi dari struktur, dari ekspresi opini yang akan dibahas pada pelajaran ini. Kemudian praktek, cara mempraktekkannya di dalam sebuah short dialogue conversation. Jadi nanti ekspresi dari asking and giving opinion ini akan diterapkan dalam conversations, percakapan gitu. Okay. Nah, ini ada audio, nanti kita dengar dulu nih short, for example, of dialogue conversation. Nanti kalian tentukan nih bagaimana yang menunjukkan dari asking atau giving opinion itu. Okay, listen very carefully, yeah.
Hi, Maya. How are you today? Oh, hi, Nina. I'm doing great. Thank you. What about you? I'm doing well. Thanks. By the way, what do you think about learning a foreign language? In my opinion, learning a foreign language is very important because it helps people communicate with others from different countries. Do you think it's important for students? Yes, I do. I think it's very useful for students since it can open more opportunities for their future. I agree with you. It can also help us understand other countries. Absolutely. Besides being useful learning a foreign language, it's also fun and interesting.
Okay. Nah, kira-kira kalian tahu nggak tadi mereka ngomongnya apa? Do you know what are they talking about? What asking and giving opinion? Yes, about asking and giving opinion. What is the topic they are they talking? Foreign language. Yes, foreign language. they are who is giving opinion? Do you know? Maya or Rina? Okay. So, okay, next we move to the transaction. Okay, this is the transcript dari dialog tadi. Ini transcript dari dialog tadi. Nah, siapa yang mau baca? Agus? Kamu boleh? Yang di belakang? Sama Harun. Okay. This is some transcript tadi dari Oliver. So,
Hi Maya, how are you today?
hey, I'm fine, thank you. Oh, that's true.
I'm doing well, thanks. By the way, what do you think about learning language?
In my opinion, learning a foreign language is very useful because it helps communicate with people from different countries.
Do you think it is important for students?
Yes, I think it is. It is important because it can provide more opportunities in the future.
I agree with you. It can also help us understand other cultures.
Absolutely. Learning a foreign language is both useful and interesting. Oke. Nah, di sini kan ada di sini there is a some example of the asking and giving opinion. Nah, coba kalian perhatikan di situ ada nggak yang warna-warna teksnya? Nah, yang warna biru itu adalah asking, meminta pendapat. Can you see what is the asking in this dialogue? Apa itu pertanyaan yang menunjukkan opini?
What do you think about?
Ya, what do you think about? And then, what do you think? Dan juga itu ada yang warna ungu itu adalah giving. Dan in my opinion, itu adalah sebuah pendapat mereka. Mereka boleh berpendapat. Contoh tadi kan Rina sama yang tadi kan mereka membahas tentang foreign language. Nah, di situ kan ada tuh yang bertanya, what do you think about? Kemudian dia jawab, in my opinion. Kemudian yang warna hijau itu adalah agreement-nya. Mereka setuju atau enggak dengan topik tersebut. Okay, next. Okay. So, what is the asking and giving opinion? Apa sih sebenarnya asking and giving opinion itu? Jadi asking and giving opinion itu adalah sebuah ekspresi. There is an expression yang digunakan untuk share ideas, think, thought, and then their perception. Jadi asking opinion itu meminta seseorang untuk memberikan pendapat mereka, pemikiran mereka, ide mereka, bagaimana tentang suatu hal. Contoh, Agus, what do you think about my new outfit today? Ya, kan contohnya dia meminta pendapat Agus nih, bagaimana menurutmu tentang outfit hari ini. Itu merupakan asking atau giving? Asking, ya. Kemudian Agus jawab nih, in my opinion, your outfit is very good today. Aku bilang, outfit kamu hari ini sangat bagus. Itu merupakan giving. Asking and giving opinion. Okay, next. Okay, this is some purpose of the asking and giving opinion, like to understand, to communicate, and then to express their feelings, etc. Jadi, asking and giving opinion itu berfungsi sebagai sebuah ekspresi yang digunakan untuk mengungkapkan bagaimana perasaan seseorang, pendapat seseorang, ide. Misalkan, what do you think about new class? Contohnya, what do you think about my iPhone? About like the some interesting thing. Kalian bisa menggunakan ekspresi tersebut. Okay, next. Nah, ini dia. This is some of the expression can you use to express your opinion. Okay, can you see that in my First is to ask opinion. Okay, can you read together? Okay, read please.
What do you think about? What is your opinion about? Do you think? How do you feel about? What are your thoughts on? Could you tell me what's your opinion about? What's your view on?
Nah, jadi yang semua itu adalah sebuah ungkapan ASCII. Kita lihat yang bagian could you tell me about your opinion itu adalah sebuah ungkapan yang digunakan untuk formal. Misalkan kalian ingin bertanya ke guru, ke dosen atau ke atasan, kalian bisa menggunakan could you tell me your opinion about. Nah, itu merupakan suatu ekspresi yang bisa digunakan. Oke, setelah kita bertanya, tentu kita orang tersebut memberi pendapat kan. Can you read this is some giving opinion expression? Like in my opinion, I believe, I think, etc. Itu merupakan satu contoh dari tersebut. Oke. Nah, this is some responding. Nah, jadi setelah kalian bertanya dan meminta pendapat kan, tentu dong ada persetujuan kayak you agree or disagree. When you have kalian memiliki pendapat yang sama, kalian bisa bilang I agree with you. For example, I agree with you. Social media is a very useful for our learning. Itu merupakan sebuah agreement, persetujuan. Sedangkan yang disagree itu mereka tidak setuju nih. I don't think so. I don't agree. Extra. Itu merupakan suatu ekspresi yang tidak setuju. For example, what do you think about playing video game? Playing video game is fun. Terus saya lagi bilang, I don't think so. Playing video game is make me stay at night, bergadang di malam. Itu contoh. Okay, next. This is some example. Who want to read? Please. I need to volunteer. Okay. Okay, who want to read? Agus, can you read?
Yes, sir.
Who want to be Lisa? Who want to be Kevin? Who want to be Lisa? Okay, please.
Hey Lisa, how are you today?
Hi, Kevin. I'm going to help you.
I want to share your opinion about eating breakfast before school.
Personally, I think breakfast is very important for students
Why do you think so?
because breakfast gives us energy and helps us focus in class.
That's a good point. I sometimes feel sleepy when I skip breakfast.
I think students should have healthy food every morning.
I couldn't agree more.
Okay. Tadi kan sudah baca dialognya. Bagaimana apa ekspresi yang digunakan? Siapa yang memberi pendapat di situ? Yang menanyakan pendapat di situ siapa? Kevin. Apa tuh pendapat yang ditanyakan Kevin?
What is your opinion about eating breakfast?
Kevin, what is your opinion about this breakfast? Okay. Bagaimana dengan giving opinion? Siapa yang memberikan pendapat?
Bisa.
Apa pendapat yang bisa sampaikan di situ?
Very important. Breakfast is very important.
Nah, jadi di situ apa aja tuh? Apa aja ekspresi giving opinion yang kalian temukan di dialog tersebut? Yang memberi pendapat. For example, like personally, I think, anything else? Okay. What about responding, agreement or disagreement?
I didn't see.
Agree more. Itu termasuk dari responding agreement. Okay. Now I will give you some exercise. You work with your brain, with your partner to create a dialogue, short dialogue. The topic is free. Jadi kalian membuat dialog singkat, topiknya itu bebas. Move lagi ke bagian ekspresi. Ekspresi. Okay. This is sound expression. Kalian bisa gunakan ekspresi ini untuk membuat sebuah short dialog singkat aja. Topiknya bebas. Topiknya yang relate sama kalian. Kalian buat nanti yang mungkin 5 atau 6 atau 8 itulah. Kalian dialognya menggunakan ekspresi ini. Kalian bisa topiknya itu bebas. Kalian bisa buat. I'll give you 10 atau 15 minutes to create a dialogue. Setelah kalian buat, after you create your dialogue, you can present your dialogue in front of the class. Okay, go ahead. Gimana? Ada yang udah siap? Sudah siap? Sudah siap lagi? Sudah siap? Yes. Oke. Oke, kita tunggu yang udah siap ya. Nanti kita tampil.
Sudah
Selesai? Okay. You want the first to be perform your dialogue. Coba tangan depan. Oke, silakan.
Bisa.
Ya, maju. Sama siapa kamu Agus?
Sama Harun.
Oke, silakan maju. Agus.
What is your opinion about doing camping on weekend?
In my opinion, camping is a fun activity for weekend to enjoy nature and relax.
I agree with you. It is also a good way to spend time with friends.
It's true. You can learn to walk and become more independent.
Do you think camping is better than staying at home?
Yeah, I think so. Camping gives us new experiences and big adventures.
I agree. We should go camping during the time next school holiday.
Good idea. It will be a memorable experience.
Okay, give applause for Agnes. Okay, you choose the topic is camping, right? Yeah, this is this is the interesting topic. It's fine when we are doing the holiday. Jadi milih topik ini untuk bukan di sana dua orang. Bagus. Go ahead. Terima kasih.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, the second group. Okay, please go ahead. Okay. What's your name?
Benefit.
Nana and Nana and Lima. Okay, Nana, please.
Hi Lina, what do you think about skincare? My opinion said
Okay, there you
Hi.
go. Hold on, hold on.
my opinion skincare is important because it helps care our skin healthy and clean. I agree. How do you feel about using skincare every day? Personally, I think using basic skincare like the face wash, moisturizer, and sunscreen is that's a good point. What's your opinion about expensive skincare products? I don't know is expensive or are not anyways better. The most important thing is causing products that suit our skin type. I think so too. Thank you for sharing your opinion. You are welcome.
Oh my God! Give applause for this presenter. So you choose the topic skincare. This is relatable to you, right? Ini sangat related sama kehidupan sehari-hari ya. Kalau memilih topik yang sangat cocok. Okay, your pronunciation is good and you have expression kamu telah dapat memasukkan ekspresi yang sesuai dengan okay. Thank you very much. Please. Okay, thank you. Okay, so jadi kalian sudah mengerti nih tentang aspek giving opinion kan? Jadi materi ini tuh sangat related ya dengan kehidupan sehari-hari. Selalu ditemukan kita tanpa tersadari kita meminta pendapat dengan teman mungkin saudara atau dengan kita. Okay,
Lesson ketiga.
so what do you feel after you learn this material? Gimana nih menurut kelas kamu materi ini? Menurut kalian susah nggak materinya? Susah nggak? Atau ada yang perlu kalian pahami? Kalian bisa tanya. If you still don't understand about the material, then ask me.
I think I understand material.
Oh, okay. You got it, this material.
Yes.
Okay, I think that's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much for your participation, for your listening, for your attendance in this class. I hope in the next meeting we will get more about the next material. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, students.
Yeah.